Ever wondered if you could reframe your photos and instantly make them look more professional? With the new iOS 27 Spatial Reframe tool, you can do it in just a few seconds. Here's how it works. First, keep in mind this feature is only available on iPhone 15, 16, and 17 Pro and Pro Max models running the iOS 27 update. To begin, open the Photos app and select the image you want to edit. Tap on Edit, then go to the New Tools section. From there, choose Reframe. Your iPhone will take a moment to analyze the image and detect areas that can be expanded or adjusted. Once the process is complete, you can simply drag the image to reposition it however you like. If your subject is too close to the edge or you want a wider composition, this is where you can easily fix it. The tool is flexible, so you can experiment until the framing looks right. When you're happy with the result, tap Reframe again and wait for the processing to finish. After that, you can tap and hold the image to compare the original with the reframed version and clearly see the difference. Once everything looks good, tap the check mark, then hit Done to save your changes. And that's it. Your newly reframed photo is ready to view, save, and share.